Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make video text effect like this on Filmora X. So let's start the video. We can make it using two methods. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Bring the video that you will use as text to the timeline. Go to titles and add default title into timeline. Double click on this and go advanced. Delete text layer and add a shape layer and adjust like this. Delete middle text and change shape color to black. Now add a text layer and write your text. Change font and size as you like and click OK. Now select text and go video. Then go compositing and change to multiply. Click OK and export this. After export, import this file in this project. Delete all from the timeline. Now add your main video into timeline. And also add the video which is exported before. Double click on this and activate chroma key features. Change chroma color to black and click OK. As you can see, our effect is done. You can now export this. But for better view, you can add a glow effect on second video. First, add main video into timeline. Go to text and add default text. Double click on this and go advanced. Type your text, change font and change size. Now change text color to green and click OK. Okay, now export this. After export, import this file in this project. Delete all from the timeline. Now bring the video that you will use as text to the timeline. And add green video above this text video. Double click on this and activate chroma key features. Change chroma color to green and you're done. As you can see, our effect is done. So let's export our final project. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.